Storytelling. What is storytelling in education? In this video, I, Zafi Mandali, will talk of a storytelling project. Call it Stories of People Who Left Their Mark, or Voices That Changed the World, or Inspirational Heroes. However you baptize this project, the aim is to inspire students to explore the lives of people who left a lasting mark in our world. This project invites students to get curious and discover through research and critical thinking the stories behind great achievements. Now, students are asked to craft presentations which combine research, creativity, storytelling, and confident expression. They are asked to make connections and isolate details which, from their perspective, paint the personality of this person. For example, if I told you the story of Coco Chanel, who was brought up in an orphanage of nuns, I would make sure you understood that her work and personality showed that she was not just a brand. She was a statement, a war cry in silk and perfume, a terribly inspiring person. Or if I told you the story of Marie Curie, I would underline why she was a pioneer in medical applications of science and how her discovery of radioactivity transformed cancer treatment through radiotherapy. I would highlight her perseverance, sacrifice, and groundbreaking research, including her efforts during World War I to bring mobile X-ray units to battlefield hospitals. If I told the story of 8-year-old Ruby, from the painting also The Problem We All Live With, I would explore why this young girl needed protection to step into the all-white school in Orleans. She was the first black girl whose parents decided to practice the freshly voted law which abolished slavery in the South of USA. Ruby had to be escorted for protection because white people shouted threats and threw tomatoes and other stuff at her on her way to school. I would mention the heavy price her parents had to pay and how they lost their jobs. I would talk of how Ruby spent a whole year alone at school because all the white kids left to avoid being in the same space as a black person. All in all, my point is that this type of storytelling gets students to move from passive learning to active discovery and improves their presentation skills. Message me and I will share amazing material on this project, which is another form of storytelling.